Good morning, students. We are studying about modern period in India, an outline of the time frame. Last class till invention of Nadir Shah and Ahmad Shah Abdali 1761 dealt a severe blow to the already weak Mughal Empire. Till this point we learned. And today, our next point, the Battle of Plassey in 1757 and Battle of Buxar in 1764 made the English the masters of Bengal and gradually of the entire country. Please open your textbook and underline these battles, very important. Later class we will discuss very clearly discuss about these wars. So don't worry, I'll discuss in coming chapters. So here Battle of Plassey in 1757, Sirajullah was defeated by Robert Clive, Commander-in-Chief of British, in 1757. So the British started defeat India clockwise. Clockwise means from Bengal. Bengal is one of the richest province in India. Then that Battle of Plassey, through this battle they found the foundation, a ruling foundation over India. Then come to Bihar and Orissa, that Battle of Buxar. Then South India, Mysore wars. They defeated Tipu Sultan. Next they go to where here Maharashtra, then Punjab, at last 1857, Delhi, first war of Indian independence. We historians saying about first war of independence, but British historians says that was only a mere Sipahi mutiny. So that's about I already told that anti-clockwise. That is why Rabindranath Tagore wrote the national anthem anti-clockwise. Next point, the exploitative nature of the company's rule led to the growth of a common feelings of hatred against the British among the masses. The exploitative nature, exploitation. That is one of the characteristics of British. Exploiting our wealth, exploiting our culture, exploiting our all the raw materials. And before British came in India, India had a rich country. When they left, they almost 200 years they ruled over India. When they left India, India became one of the poorest country in the world. GDP rate only 2.5%. So that way we will learn. We will study in later classes. In detail. And next point, how can we study the modern period? We are already familiar with the various types of sources used by historians, writings, the history of a particular period. Historians means one who write the history. Historians, underline that word in your textbook. So the sources of studying the modern period of Indian history are various. There is a number of these. Sources are of the following two types: primary sources and secondary sources. Primary sources means first, more important than anything else. Primary, first, primary school, Secondary means less important. So primary sources includes archaeological sources, original documents, photographs, newspapers, magazines, pamphlets, and video tapes. So we will learn one by one in detail. Archaeological sources. So what do you mean by archaeology and archaeologist? What is the difference between archaeology and archaeologist? Archaeology means the study of human history and prehistory through the excavation of sites and analysis of artifacts and other physical remains. Archaeology. Okay. Then come to the point, what do you mean by archaeologist? Archaeologist means, archaeologist is a person who studies human history, particularly the culture of historic and prehistoric people through discovery and exploration of remains. That is the difference between archaeology and archaeologist. So archaeology sources include the buildings spread across the country, such as the Gateway of India, India Gate, Parliament. They also include coins, paintings, and weapons of this period. These archaeological sources, coins. So coins, what type of coins they are using? No coins, no. Like paisa, like it's okay. They are the coins very clearly indicating the year and their emperor name and the paintings also. These all are the evidence of their who ruled over India in modern period. Okay. To be continued in next class. Thank you very much.